In today's video, we are going to be talking about the hero's journey. The hero's journey is a popular narrative template that has inspired countless stories in the shonen demographic. Popular series like Demon Slayer, Bleach, and My Hero Academia follow this narrative template. It is important to learn about the hero's journey because it will help you understand how professional mangakas structure their stories. By the end of this video, you will know how to condense your ideas down into a cohesive narrative. The hero's journey is a story template that involves a hero who goes on an adventure, learns a lesson, defeats the main antagonist, and then returns home as a new person. This narrative archetype is inspired by the Greeks' epics, lengthy narrative poems that focused on the adventures of a hero. Elements that distinguished epics from other literary works included supernatural deeds, fabulous adventures, highly stylized language, and dramatic traditions. Today, the hero's journey can be applied to different types of work across many different literary genres. Since the hero's journey is a popular story structure, especially in shonen manga, it is important for you to understand how it works. Joseph Campbell, a professor of literature at Sarah Lawrence College, wrote a book called The Hero with a Thousand Faces in 1949. Campbell had a theory that all mythological narratives shared the same story structure. He would later call this story structure the monomyth or the hero's journey. To quote Campbell, a hero ventures forth from the world of common day into a region of supernatural wonder. Fabulous forces are encountered there and a decisive victory is won. The hero comes back from this mysterious adventure with the power to bestow boons on his fellow man. Of course, not every story has all of these elements, but you would be surprised how many stories incorporate some of them. The creators of Star Wars, Harry Potter, and The Lord of the Rings all credit Joseph Campbell for influencing the structure of their stories. The hero's journey can be broken down into 3 stages. Stage 1, the departure. Your hero character should be living a quote-unquote ordinary life when they receive a call to adventure. At first, your hero should be reluctant to accept the call. After being helped by a mentor figure, your hero will ultimately decide to follow the call to adventure. Stage 2, the initiation. This is the stage where your hero character enters the quote-unquote special world. Here, your hero will face a series of tasks and challenges until they defeat the main antagonist in your story. Your hero character must put into practice everything that they have learned on their journey to overcome this challenge. Stage 3, the return. After resolving the main conflict in your story, your hero character will feel like they are ready to go home. Throughout this journey, your hero character should have gone through a transformation. They should return home as a changed person. Breaking these stages down even further, there are 17 steps that make up the hero's journey. 1. The call to adventure. Something or someone should interrupt the hero's normal life and present a problem, threat, or an opportunity. 2. Refusal of the call. Your protagonist is unable to step out of their comfort zone or face their fears. 3. Supernatural aid. A mentor figure gives the hero the tools or inspiration they need to accept the call to adventure. 4. Crossing the threshold. The moment your hero embarks on their journey. 5. Belly of the whale. The hero crosses the point of no return and encounters their first major obstacle. 6. The road of trials. The hero must go through a series of tests to begin their transformation. Often the hero fails at least one of these. 7. Meeting with the goddess. The hero meets one or more allies to pick them up and help them continue their journey. 8. Temptation. The hero is tempted to abandon their quest. 9. Atonement. The hero confronts the reason they decided to embark on their journey. They have to face their fears and the powers that rule their lives. This is a major turning point in the story. Everything that has happened prior brought the hero here. Everything that happens after this stems from this moment. 10. Acceptance. The hero gains a profound understanding of their purpose or skill. Armed with this new ability, the hero prepares to face their final challenge. 11. Resolution. The hero achieves the goal they set out to accomplish. This often takes the form of defeating the main antagonist. 12. Refusal to return. If the hero's journey was victorious, they may be reluctant to return home to their ordinary life. 13. The magic flight. The hero must escape with the object of their quest, evading those who would try to reclaim it. 14. Rescue from without. The hero receives help from a guide, rescuer, or side character in order to return home. 15. The crossing of the return threshold. The hero makes a successful return to their ordinary world. 16. Master of two worlds. The hero achieves a balance between who they were before their adventure and who they are after their journey. 17. Freedom to live. The story ends with the hero at peace with their life. Remember, every story does not need to follow the hero's journey. The hero's journey is one of many narrative structures. You should use a story structure that best serves your story and ideas. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. If you got some value out of it, please leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. About 60% of my regular viewers are not subscribed. Do you have a favorite story that follows the hero's journey? Leave a comment down below and let us know. I will be responding to every comment on today's video. If you want to further support me, consider following me on my social media accounts. I post all of my finished manga artwork on Instagram and Twitter. As always, keep creating everyone. I will see you all in the next one.